All right, welcome back to episode 6 of the Concrete Slab House Home Reno. We are in the kitchen, and I've been so excited to actually do this because our flooring is not fully done because we have to get this part done so we can move the flooring in here. Now, you guys are leaving me in the comments things like, are you kidding me? That's not a fixer-upper. That kitchen looks better than my house, whatever. Listen, I don't mean to insult anybody. We want to really kind of spruce it up, update it a bit. So here's what we're thinking. We're going to get rid of this, get that completely out of here. This tiny island has to go. We're gonna rebuild it and extend it to stop right over here. These cabinets are gonna go clear to this wall, and the space that we all have in all of our houses, well, we're gonna add additional cabinets, and we'll make sure to show you how we're gonna do that. Move some appliances, definitely. Gonna rip this out, get this out of here. You guys know we're gonna put a microwave in here and a wine bar. It's gonna be awesome. So, we're gonna do one of my favorite kind of episodes. Demo day! Yeah. But first, let's talk about sponsor of today's video, Ariat. Now, I've been a fan of theirs for a very long time. You guys see me always wearing their stuff. This is some of my favorite stuff right now. This is the Ariat workwear shirt. It's pre-shrunk, 9 ounces of durable jersey material. I would love the fact that it's actually tall for tall guys like me. They don't shrink. It's pre-shrunk already. These are the Ariat M4 rebar jeans. They have durable stretch canvas in there. They're super comfortable. These are the Ariat work boots. You guys have seen me put them through the ringer. They are slip resistant. They have a composite toe up front. I have paint in there. I have cuts on them. I have so much done to them because I actually work in them. Huge fan of their clothing, their workwear. Go and check out the links in the description, some of my favorite stuff that I've selected, and use my link over there to get 10% off your first order today. Now, without wasting any more time, let's go demo this kitchen. Let's go. I'm just waiting for the comments to be like, you're breaking countertop, you're breaking granite. Oh, I think everybody's already breaking it here. Oh, no turning back. So a long time ago, I worked with my father-in-law in, he has a granite company, and we installed granite countertops, and I did it maybe for like a year. And I remember that we would never glue it down to boards. We would only do like a bead around the perimeter so that if you ever want to take it off, you just take a blade, cut it around and pop it off, and sometimes even salvage it. But no, not here. Nice. Liquid nailed, nice. When a concrete's this thick, this is a thing called 2 cm, 2 centimeter, they have to reinforce it. So they'll create a little channel, put this little steel rod in there, and then pour epoxy to strengthen it so it doesn't crack as you're installing it. Ooh, watch your toes, bro. Watch your toes. Try to take it from me, must be out your mind. Oh, I'm big time. The flathead screwdriver. Use a scraper. I swear I've demoed more stuff and unscrewed more stuff with a scraper than actually going and getting a flathead. Yeah.
Like, what do I have in my pocket?
This is gonna go to the grave with me, dude. This has to be the most like universally.
Oh, I love scrape, like little putty knives.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Do you remember those like hour of power? those ones where they're like, I need everybody to get some noise. Get rip this yellow pages. Come on, come on.
Get it.
go to church. That's what they do. Oh, you want to say amen? Oh no, you ruined the tile. Oh, I guess we gotta redo the kitchen. Oh, I see what you're saying. Oh.
There you go. Come on, whoa. She's not having it.
So the trick about not breaking cabinets, if you're asking what is the right and wrong way of doing demo day, well, not being careful about what you're gonna salvage. So if you're gonna use a stiff scraper like this and a pry bar, you don't want to be shoving it right here because this is a weak point. There's flex and it'll crack. You want to do is use these, what do you call them, ribs?
Ribs.
Yeah,
I
ribs
like
is
it.
a nice one, yeah.
I like
and what
it.
you do is you jam it right in between the top and the bottom here.
So you got your structure.
Structure, yep, and it's dispersing the weight, and then stick your pry bar in there, and then that's where you're gonna break it off. If you do it here, you will crack this, and you'll have to build new cabinets. Oh, hi, did we wake you up? Sorry, we're being loud, but you look nice. Yeah. Because we're gonna have to lift it up like that, this, regardless, the bottom row has to go. So,
Smash.
Smash. I say we smash because it's gonna be easier to just put a sheet of drywall up. But in order for us to pop this sucker off, we gotta get rid of this line here. This backsplash is holding it down in place. We gotta lift the sucker up. We gotta make it a little bit messy before we make it pretty. I'm gonna whip something up real quick. Oh, how crazy is this? Apparently this is how you take off.
It is connected still with gas.
No, I guess that's, oh yeah, but it's crazy. I thought there's gonna be like brackets or something.
It's just weighted in there?
Yeah. The tape is so that when we lift this up, this corner does not scratch the cabinet. So preventative measures. You guys are asking a lot of questions about my new green tools. Yes, we partnered with Ryobi to make these home renovation projects a little bit more achievable for you guys. So to do you one even better, we're gonna do a giveaway with Ryobi. So comment down in the comment section about the projects that you want to tackle or are tackling on your house. The video comes out Tuesday. I'll select a random winner to receive a 4-piece kit of Ryobi's new HP line cordless power tools. Comment, I'll select a random winner Friday. I'll announce it on my YouTube stories. Now let's go back and demo this kitchen.
Inside.
Thanks, electrical guys.
Yeah, that's nice.
Oh, dude. Unfortunately, I didn't cut through the black and the white. We'll see if that's all that's. Power's coming out of the ground, plumbing's going in the ground, water's coming in the ground, and then the electrical's going down that way. So at least we know where to start. So we're using a thermal scanner here, and the reason why we're using this is to detect, because we're gonna have to cut into the concrete, well, I have radiant heated floors, so there's water lines that are heated going across it. And what I don't wanna do is take my saw and cut into the ground. So now I'm just kind of planning out the proper way to move all this plumbing over here to the new island. And guess what we have here? we have a vent tube. Every drain needs to have a vent tube that goes all the way to the top to, have adequate flow of everything. So this will be interesting. So it might make more sense just to use a jackhammer as opposed to a tile saw.
Go gentle.
Go gentle. And what we can do is maybe take an angle grinder and just sear cut the first inch.
Well, we do have toe kick room. So what do you think about just having it above the slab? Because if we're gonna keep that existing wall placement, you literally could just elbow it all and bring it toe kick. Yes.
All of that is going to be hollow.
Yes.
We only really need like 6 inches of overhang, so we're going to have a plumbing line coming here.
Yes.
So we can run it inside the cavity, like you said.
Yep.
Into that.
Boom.
Keep all that electrical there.
Yes.
Keep all the water lines there.
Yes.
That is great. So the new plan of action, Tyler had a brilliant idea. Because the water lines are so tight together in the concrete, I don't want to cut them and have a big water leak. So he's saying by having sink here, this is going to be hollow space, and then the leg room, we're going to have a channel for plumbing running straight to here. So basically, the end of this wall is going to be an end of an island, and all the seating will just be on that side. Nice, good thinking, boss.
Boom.
We're gonna tackle it one piece at a time. First thing we're gonna do is power. We need to get rid of this vent tube. We'll figure out where the radiant stuff stops, create a canal on the other side to make sure it's not interfering. It seems like these are two separate. It seems like there's a little dead space here that we can do that possibly. We'll put the vent tube possibly there. Right now we're cutting the power off, everything's shut off safely, but we're labeling our stuff. So this is the garbage disposal, the dishwasher power coming in. So we're gonna cut it, label it, that is power coming in, and then this is just the plugs. We're just say power coming in. We're gonna put them to the side, that way we can at least cut this area off and then feed the power afterwards. I hope you guys saw episode 2, how we demoed the floors before, because there's a bunch of tile in here. And this is the silliest thing in the world. Like I mentioned, like mastic, you're not supposed to put it on the floor. It pops up. Tile's not supposed to pop off that easily. I mean, like, this is not supposed to happen. You gotta use thin set, but I am counting my lucky stars that I have to undo this, which makes removing this so much easier. The suspense is killing me. And that's how you steal your friend's microwave.
I'll be here for a minute.
That's too easy.
That's
Whew, that is the extent of, I think, demoing that I want to do with this kitchen. It's a lot. First time I've ever done this on a concrete slab. So I've learned a lot. I figured out exactly where all the water lines and stuff is. And that's important because you don't want to be guessing things. You just want to do as much demoing as you possibly can and then just rip it off like a Band-Aid. And then do each step properly and nothing will be in the way. Now the demoing part is done. First order of business is doing the plumbing on this concrete slab. Keep in mind, the sink is going to be right here, moving it from there. It's gonna be a little tricky considering all the vent tubing and all that stuff, but I'm not gonna share too much details with you right now. I'm gonna start working on it and you will just have to check back on the next episode where we cover the plumbing on the concrete slab. Hey, that is it from me this week. Thanks so much for sticking around watching yet another one of my videos. It means the world to me. If you're brand new to the channel and you like videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap that notification bell that will be alerted every time a video comes out. Make sure you connect with me on my social media. All the links, including the merch section, will be down in the description below. Check out some of this cool stuff we have. We have the new Courage and Sweat ODE green. We have a cool line that says, I'm not calling a guy, I am the guy. All the links will be down in the description below. All of it helps support the channel. Tune out this week. We'll see you guys on the next one. See ya. Bye.